Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Begin by selecting firm pickling cucumbers about 3–5 inches long. Discard soft or blemished fruit. Rinse them thoroughly and soak in ice water for 30 minutes to maintain crispness. Prepare a brine using 5% acidity vinegar, water, pickling salt, and sugar if desired. Common ratio 1 cup vinegar to 1 cup water with 1 tablespoon pickling salt per pint jar. Sterilize jars and lids by boiling for 10 minutes. Keep jars hot in simmering water until you are ready to fill them. Pack hot jars tightly with fresh dill sprigs, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and cucumbers placed vertically to maximize space. Leave exactly 1/2 inch headspace at the top of each jar. This prevents overflow and ensures a good vacuum seal. Pour hot brine. Use your prepared 1 cup vinegar to 1 cup water ratio over the cucumbers, covering them completely. Use a non-metallic spatula to release air bubbles, then wipe the rim with a clean cloth. Center the lid and screw the band finger tight. Process pint jars in a boil. Remove jars from the water bath and let them cool undisturbed on a towel or rack for 12 to 24 hours. Listen for the popping sound that indicates lids have sealed. After cooling, press the center of each lid to confirm a firm seal. A sealed lid will not flex. Store sealed jars in a cool, dark place where they will remain shelf-stable for 12 to 18 months. For best flavor, allow the pickles to rest for at least 4 weeks before opening. Once opened, refrigerate and consume within 1 to 2 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.